Okay, students, listen. I am teaching you spoken English.
Yes,
What is
sir.
spoken English? Listen. Spoken English is nothing. This is whole English is everything. Like English is a subject as well as language, because we are calling it subject, so it is also subject. Understand? Because we can learn English like science and like you can say SST as well. Understand? Because you have to learn rules. If you don't learn the rules, you cannot speak English properly. Understand?
Sir.
Every tense has certain rules. They are called sentence structures. Like where you have to use first form of verb, where you use second form, where you will use will. Understand? If you don't know these rules, you cannot speak English correctly. So your all subjects are in English except Hindi. Hindi is obviously it must be in Hindi. So if you learn English, like I teach you full English, I teach you grammar as well. Keep quiet. Taught you tenses. I taught you 3 tenses up to today, and I taught you some models as well. Understand? Like let's take present simple tense. In present, did I teach you present simple? Do you eat? What do you eat? Did I teach you? So in present simple, we talk like the actions we do today, in the yesterday time and tomorrow. Understand? In the past, in the future. Like I go to gym daily. It means I am going to gym. Means in these days I will go in the future, and I was going in the past as well. So this is called the action that I do every time. Past, present, future. Then I taught you present continuous. Like whatever you are doing right now. If you are eating food in this time, you will say I am eating food. If you are sleeping, you will say I am sleeping. If you are dancing, you will say I am dancing. So past, this is present continuous. It tells us how to say, how to talk about the actions you are doing currently. Currently means right now. अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो, ठीक है? उसकी बात कौन करता है? Present continuous. Then I taught you future simple. Future simple only you have to remember will. If you know the will, you can speak about future. So in future, only learn will and first form. If you know that where you should use will and where you should use first form, then you can understand the future. You can talk about the future. Understand? And your learning power also gets increased. You learn faster if you. He is good cameraman. Understand? So I was saying that learn tenses at home as well. Understand? So learn tenses. Tenses are the backbone of English language. If you know the tenses, I think 70% work is done. You can learn science answers very easily in very short time. Like for example, if he learns any answer of 8 lines in 20 minutes. If he knows the tenses, if he learns the tenses, then the same answer he can learn in only 15 minutes. Understand? And not like this, you can make answers by yourself. Just read the answer and make answer by yourself in your own words and sentences, because you know the tenses. Without tenses, English is incomplete in your study. Understand? So all the students always remember, if you learn the tenses, you cannot face problems in your study. This is sure. Understand? Next, modals. I taught you we use modals should for should be, should have, should be for advice, should have also for advice, and should also. Like you should have a pen, आपके पास पेन होना चाहिए. This is my advice. You should be smart, आपको smart होना चाहिए. You should eat fruits, आपको fruits खाने चाहिए. So what is this advice? Understand? So learn whatever I have taught you. So that's why I am making you to be perfect in tenses. That's why I again and again I am teaching you, revising tenses to you. Understand? So with continuing that part of revising tenses, I would ask you some questions. You would answer me. Pause कर दो क्या? Okay, let's ask some questions to our students as they are learning spoken English from me. Let's ask. What's your name?
My name is Rashmi.
Okay, Rashmi. Rashmi, I will give you Hindi sentences. Translate them into English. Okay? Are you ready? Start. आओ खेलें.
Let's play.
Very good. मेरी बुक कहाँ है?
Where is my book?
Very good. मैं खेल रही हूँ.
I am playing.
Very good. Nice. आप क्या कर रही हो?
What are you doing?
Very good. मैं कल सिटी जाऊंगी.
I will go to city tomorrow.
Very nice. Sit down. What's your उधर तक हाँ ठीक है. What's your name?
My name is Manvi.
Okay, Manvi. Manvi, I will ask you some questions. Translation exercise would be there of one sentence. आओ खेलें.
Let's play.
Very good. मेरी मम्मा खाना बना रही हैं.
My mother is cooking food.
Very good. मेरी बुक कहाँ है?
Where is my book?
Very good. Sit down. बीच में जा रहा है. गेट. चलो start. Nikita, can you speak English? Okay. Translate. आओ खेलें.
Let's play.
मैं खेल रही हूँ.
I am playing.
ठीक है. आप क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ.
What you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
मेरी बुक कहाँ है?
Where is my book?
मैं कल स्कूल नहीं आऊँगी.
I will not come to school tomorrow.
मैंने खाना खा लिया है.
Uh,
Stop करो. ये हाँ. Okay. Translate these sentences. आओ खेलें.
Let's play.
मैं खेल रहा हूँ.
I am playing.
मेरी बुक कहाँ है?
Where is my book?
Very good. मैं कल स्कूल नहीं आऊँगा.
I will not come to school tomorrow.
Very good. Very nice. मैं कल स्कूल आऊँगा.
I will come to school tomorrow.
Very good.